Let's turn this blank wall into a place to store my cast iron pans. First, I figured out what size boards I would need for the wall space. Then I cut my boards to the correct size. My original plan was to stain the boards, but after trying a stain, I wasn't crazy about it, and then had the idea to paint them black to match the hardware in my kitchen, and I loved how that turned out. Next, I laid it out on the counter to see how I wanted it laid out on the wall before hanging. I used a tape measure and a level to make sure everything was lined up and even. I used 3 2-inch screws and screwed them into the studs in the wall to secure the boards. Next, I touched up the paint in some spots, including a crack that I had repaired in one of the boards. These hooks in our shop, and they were perfect for this project. Lastly, I figured out where I wanted the hooks on the boards and secured them with screws. This is the finished product, and I love how it turned out. Please like and comment on this video if you enjoyed it, and be sure and subscribe if you would like to see more DIYs and to watch us remodel our home. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video.